What's going on? Michael Petty here. So just want to share a quick strategy with you guys real quick as far as email marketing, right? Actually, I was going to play some music in the background, but I had to mute it because I was thinking what's on YouTube or whatever case may be, may get some strikes, copyright, whatever. So muted that music. But real quick video, straight to the point. People join people. We all know this. So one way you can do email marketing is you can do a short, straight to the point email and do videos, right? Do videos about the topics you want to talk about. And the way you get your topics is when people ask you questions. So put yourself out there. Allow people to ask you questions, right? You can go do the research, get the answers. You can go back and do a video giving the answer, okay? And then shoot that video out there. Shoot that video out there to your list. Because now everybody get to see it, right? So now you attracted people because they see, okay, this person has knowledge. People join people that has knowledge. People join people in their businesses because they're saying to themselves, I know this individual can help me. I know this person has the answers, or they can at least get the answers, and they can help me in whatever I'm doing, right? Like in our team, we give answers, okay? We got 3 generational bonus training. We have a mega swap file with 6-figure content. I have a training course. It's called MLM Recruit on Demand. I give you free access to that. I have a copy and paste file where you can just take it, edit whatever you want to. If you can't think of anything, put out there email swipes, headlines, social media posts. I got traffic sources on there. And if you make the decision to join my team, we have where I put the first member in for you at the top 2 levels, right? So therefore, because in the company I promote, the first person and commission is a pass up. So we talk about $1,000 and $2,000 commissions. I want you to keep all that, keep the person, keep the commissions. Or I'll put the first member in for you, shoot myself in the foot, so you can keep the money and you can keep the people. That's at the G1000 and the G2000 level. Another thing we have is ongoing support and training, where we get added to a team Facebook chat where we share knowledge, we share ongoing training, ask your questions. In there, you also get questions answered, even from other people, from other top earners, people who know about network marketing. So it's like 40 plus people inside this group, chat. So you get a lot of support when you join our team. So listen, so that's one tip I can give you as far as email marketing, because something about people seeing your face, hearing your voice, right? And then, they connect mentally with you that way because it's more personal, right? It's not just writing. It's not just a person writing something. You don't know what they look like, don't know who they are, don't know nothing about them, And then the video is your chance to get people to know about you. Talk about yourself, right? I work full-time in the grocery warehouse. Got a wife, 14-year-old son, grandkids. Some in-laws stay with me. We all help each other, work together. That's it. Yeah, work in the grocery warehouse for 20 plus years. Been there 20 plus years. Started online business because I didn't want to get a part-time job. I want to be home. Like right now, I'm in my car because me and my wife about to head out somewhere because my daughter having a baby soon, so we're looking for a place to have a baby shower for her. Is it a baby shower? Yeah, baby shower. So we're going to an event hall to put down a deposit and, just do that. So we might hang out a little bit after that also. Probably go get something to eat, me and her, take a little date, take a little time. So, just that's a strategy you could use. Allow people to get to know you, talk about yourself, and then in the video, see, when you write emails, you got to write everything out. But in the video, just simply talking, share what you share, just share stuff, share about you, share about your opportunity, give secrets, answer questions. Listen, if you have a question, right, my contact information is down below in the description. So inbox me, email me, send me a text, ask your questions, right? And I try to get the answer. If I don't know them, I try to answer the best way I can, right? Michael Petty signing off. Talk to you soon.